Good afternoon. Dear student, in today's class, I am going to demonstrate you a very convenient at the same time efficient way of earning online, and this time we are going to earn through data entry projects. So now I am sharing with you one of the most popular data entry site, and at the same time the way you can earn from there. And in this training you are going to have a clear insight about from the very beginning to the end, and how you can work in there, and also you can get paid, and everything I will try to cover through this video. So first of all, go to your browser and type microworkers.com. microworkers.com and press enter. Then you will see a website like this, the landing page here. Then if you have already registered, then you can start with login. Since I have already my account in there, now I am logging into my account. So here you can see this is my account portal. But we can see here dashboard here. Here you can see that all type of jobs are available here, all sort of jobs. So here it's a filter which shows the most latest jobs available now, and the job categories are like qualification, testing, mobile application, surveys, sign up, click, search, transcription, data collection, annotation, video or music sharing platforms, social media, promotion, question answer and comments, forum, download and install, write a review, write or rewrite article, blogging, leads, moderation, translation and others. So the part we are going to share here is just for data entry. Data entry means you will collect information from some sort of image, and you will just go into this work and start inputting the data from the image that you see. So let me share with you another portion of the site, like this table. This table shows like the job title. Here you will see the available jobs here, and from this section you will see the payment of that particular job. Like if you do this kind of entry like TTV data entry from image, then you will get paid 3 cents for the task, and job success is 100%. That means how many works have been done, and how the percentage of the payment made out of the work done in this section. And also the TTR, the time to review, and see the available work ratio for this particular session. So what we need to do for working is we will have to select any of the sort from here and enter into the particular job and read the instruction for that specific job and work accordingly. And this time I am going to show you some kind of data entry jobs that I'm going to do right now, and this video is live and you will be seeing me working live from this dashboard. So let's start. So let us have some data entry job first. Once we have the job, then we will start demonstrating how you will start. So it's the queue. So now I have gone to higher group jobs list. In here you are seeing most paying latest, so we are clicking on latest. So we have got a job. So from there, so you can see that someone else have already locked the job. So you have to lock a job to start working on this. First of all, you will see the queue, then you will lock a job. After that, you will be able to working on those. So what you need to do is, since I am going to share with you the most effective way of collecting jobs, so you, in order to get the data entry job really fast, you need to click on the latest tab or the data collection tab. So you have one right now. This one is also taken. So You have to keep trying, since there are lots of works available at the same time, lots of workers are there, so it is not that easy to have ready jobs in this, because the queue is a general queue. From there, not only you have the access to the queue, all the contractors do. So what happens is like they will also try to collect the task for them, so whoever clicks first get the job for them first. So you have to be very quick. So we have got one. So this is the job. Here you can see the TTV data entry job, and job category is here, and I will earn 3 cents if I can finish it. So let's see how we can do it, and I will show you the balance also. So entry this information here. So first of all, we have to select the year. So the year is 20, means 2020. Now we have to input the date, like date and months. So we are starting 14/12, then 15/12, then 16/12, then 21/12, then 22/12. Next we are scrolling down. So now the year has selected 2020. So 1/12, then 2/12. We are inputting the dates that we can see in there, and we have to be very careful during entering the information, because these information must have to be accurate as shown in the image beside. And also you have to be very careful about the timing, that countdown you can see. You have to finish the job before the timer closes. So that is why you have to be very quick. At the same time, you have to be accurate for while entering the information on the web portal. So these jobs are very preferable to many, because these are really simple jobs, like seeing the information and inputting the date. So it's really most easy one. So, and at the same time, the works get reviewed very fast, so you don't have to wait for long to get paid. That is why these are also really popular. So like say 10 entries, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 entries. Now I have made 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So what did I miss? Let's see, check. 17 18 24 26 30, then 212, then 812, then 1012, then 1412, then 1512. Yeah, now it's messed. Going to the next portion. So you have to be very careful while entering the information, because the information has to be very accurate. First, you cannot afford to make mistakes, because if you make mistakes, then you are not going to be paid for the job you are doing. So you have to be very careful. So you have to maintain the speed, at the same time you have to maintain the accuracy. And for this job you need to have also a good internet connection, because if you don't have a good internet connection, then getting the job from the queue maybe will be hard for you. 14 15 12 15 12 16 12 16 12. Okay, fine. We have submitted the work. Let's see if it is gets submitted. So this is an accidental case. Okay, we have submitted it. So as you see, we have submitted it successfully and we have got paid already. So the task I finished, then I clicked to hire group task. So you can see the job I just finished 4 minutes ago has been paid already, and I have credited 3 cents for that task. So this is the job. You will keep inputting the information from different jobs and you will get paid instantly. That is how it works. So thanks for joining me. Bye bye.